I'm Eva Pepper and I'm studying Professional Cookery at Glasgow Clyde College. I came to Glasgow Clyde College for a way to learn outside of high school. I didn't do well in high school because of the environment, but I moved over here into EVIP, which is a blend of college learning and high school learning inside the college facilities. It meant that I got English, Maths and PE and IT, as well as being able to learn Professional Cookery level 4. So that was the day my life changed. Cooking, I was like, I love cooking, sign me up. I came from induction day, which was in the college, and we got to make pizzas with the rest of my class. And I was set. From that day on, I was set on cooking and I was set on coming to this college. I met all my lecturers who were really lovely, and all the people in my class were nice, and every college staff I interacted with just made me feel a lot safer than I ever did in high school. I feel more supported. By doing Professional Cookery level 4, I realised that I really did enjoy cooking and that I wanted to pursue it. So I applied for the level 5 here, and I got an email a couple of months later saying that I was in. I love it. I love it. I cook all day, all the time, 24/7, Monday to Friday, and I honestly don't think I'll get fed up. I feel a lot more happier in college. I did not even have a Nat 3 when I left high school, and now I've completed all of my Nat 4s and some Nat 5s. I've got 12 new qualifications that I never would have gained had I not come to college. My course now is the Professional Cookery level 5 with my lecturers John and Joe. I love it. I love the cooking. I feel like every single day I do get better with it. I think my favourite part about the cooking might be the eating. I love eating, and I hope the goal is to own my own restaurant at the end of the day. Well, not today, but someday. And working as a chef and completing all the levels of college I can, that should help set me up for getting my own restaurant. Joining college was more than a stepping stone for me. Coming to college was a move that I made for my whole future, not just for the next year. I set myself up for a life with these skills, and I set myself up to join the trade that I wanted to.